Ever wondered how to cook healthy meals while camping? It's a common challenge, isn't it? We're out in the wild, away from our familiar kitchen setup, yet we still want to nourish our bodies with tasty, nutritious food. But worry not, this journey will introduce you to the art of healthy campfire cooking. We'll explore simple yet exciting recipes and practical cooking techniques, all tailored for the great outdoors. So, get ready to revolutionize your camping meals. A successful camping meal starts with good planning. Picture this, you're out there in the great outdoors, the stars above, the fire crackling, and your stomach growling. But wait, you've forgotten to plan your meals. That's a recipe for a camping catastrophe. Meal planning is crucial for any camping trip. It's not just about satisfying your hunger, but also about fueling your body with the right nutrients for those adventurous activities. When planning, consider the number of meals you'll need, the ingredients readily available, and the nutritional value of each meal. Remember, you don't want to lug around heavy cans and unnecessary items. Opt for light, non-perishable, and nutrition-packed ingredients. Plan meals that are easy to cook, yet rich in proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. And don't forget about variety. A week of beans and rice might be easy, but it would also be incredibly boring. Mix it up. Keep it interesting. With proper planning, you can ensure that you have nutritious and delicious meals throughout your camping trip. Now it's time to dive into some healthy campfire recipes. Let's take a journey through the wilderness of culinary delights that can be prepared right at your campsite, using minimal equipment and simple, wholesome ingredients. First up, we have foil packet recipes. These are meals wrapped in aluminum foil and cooked directly on the campfire coals. They're easy to prep, and the cleanup is a breeze. One of our favorites is the classic foil packet vegetable medley. Slice up a mix of colorful veggies like bell peppers, zucchini, and sweet potatoes, drizzle them with olive oil, sprinkle with your favorite spices, and wrap them in foil. The result? A mouth-watering, nutrient-packed side dish that's cooked to perfection in the embers of your campfire. But who says you can't have a hearty, protein-rich main course at the campsite? Let's talk about one-pot dishes. A one-pot chicken and quinoa stir-fry is a great example. Start with lean chicken breast and cook it in your pot with a little bit of oil. Once it's browned, add in some quinoa, water, and a medley of veggies like carrots, peas, and corn. Let it all simmer together until the quinoa is fluffy and the flavors have melded together. This meal is not only delicious but also packed with protein and fiber to keep you fueled for your outdoor adventures. How about a sweet treat? Campfire baked apples are a dessert that's as healthy as it is tasty. Core an apple, fill it with a mix of oats, nuts, and a bit of honey, then wrap it in foil and place it on the coals. The apple becomes tender and sweet, and the filling turns into a delightful, crunchy crumble. It's a guilt-free dessert that satisfies your sweet tooth while providing a dose of fiber and vitamins. So, whether you're a seasoned camper or a novice nature lover, these campfire recipes are sure to elevate your outdoor dining experience. They're practical, nutrient-dense, and above all, delicious. These recipes prove that camping meals can be both healthy and flavorful. Mastering the art of campfire cooking involves more than just recipes. It's about understanding the elements, the fire, and your tools. Fire control is fundamental. A roaring fire may be great for ghost stories, but for cooking you want a bed of hot embers. They provide consistent heat without the risk of scorching your meal. Next, let's talk about foil packets. These little packages are your best friend when it comes to campfire cooking. They're versatile, easy to use, and make cleanup a breeze. Simply add your ingredients, fold the foil into a packet, and place it directly on the embers. Just remember, the shiny side of the foil should always face the food to retain heat. And speaking of cleanup, leave no trace. Use biodegradable soap and a scrub brush to clean your utensils and dishes, and always pack out what you pack in. With these techniques and tips, you can cook up a feast in the great outdoors. Healthy campfire cooking is not a myth. Indeed, it's a practical and enjoyable way to nourish your body under the canopy of the night sky. Remember, meal planning is key, and with a plethora of healthy recipes and techniques at your disposal, you can cook up a storm with just a campfire and minimal equipment. So on your next camping trip, don't just settle for instant noodles or canned goods. Venture into the world of healthy campfire cooking. The next time you're under the stars, remember that a healthy meal is just a campfire away.